Hello traders and welcome back to Trading with Bill. You can always find me at tradingwithbill.com. It's a nice little website. Just has a little bit of stuff here and there, not that big of a deal. Today is September 30th, 2014 on a Tuesday as we are trading the Forex market. Traders, if you would just let me introduce myself to you real quick. My name is William Gilday and they call me Bill. Traders, I've been trading from 2006. And in 2008, I retired from a wonderful career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. 9 days later, I got on a big airplane, headed over to Thailand for a 3-month vacation to celebrate my career. And traders, today I am still living live, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, where it's cloudy and rainy skies. Not much fun today in Thailand. Clouds, rain, stops, clouds. Rain stops. It's not one of the best days of the week. Traders, we trade in the live trading room every single day using the DTS, Diversified Trading System. If you look at the bottom of the page, you can get the URL there and go to the home page. It's a great website. There's a lot of stuff there. There's a lot of funny stuff there. You can see some of my other videos that we put up. So yeah, really, just go to the website and check it out. It's really great. Traders, I'm pleased to announce that our trading room is for free and we start 15 minutes before the London Open. So you can remember that URL. We use the same URL every single day. It's the same one to get into the trading room. We have a great bunch of traders in there. The room's only been open 3 weeks, traders, and we're getting like 12 to 14 traders every single day. We're growing and it's getting great. Getting a lot of good ideas, a lot of good feedback. And we're having some fun. All right, traders, time for the charts. Let's talk about some charts and some trades today. All right. This is not today. This was on Monday. This was a trade on the pound yen. I was at my charts, and it was in the middle of Asia, almost the end of Asia, and this just caught my eye. I noticed this pullback all the way up to resistance. I noticed this signal. The problem was the filter line was green. I said, okay, don't do nothing. The filter line then turned red. We had the triangle. We had the dot, the triangle, and the hash mark. And at that point, I said, you know what? This bad boy's coming down. So, oh, sorry, traders. So I ended up, you can see where I entered into the trade. I did not wait for this to come down all the way to the take profit area. I actually was looking for 34 pips or 32 pips, and I got out with 24 pips. The reason for that was I was out at dinner and I was watching my charts on my phone, and it hit resistance. So I said, you know what? I don't want to take any chances. If I was in front of this chart, I would have had the trade manager just take care of the trade after that point. So unfortunately, it wasn't set up for that. I didn't set it up that way. I could have before I left, but I didn't. So I took 24 pips in profit. I'm very happy with that. This trade worked out. I think the key point to this is that patience, and make sure all your signals are there. Don't cheat. Make sure all the signals are there and you're at the right spot at the right time. Take your trade, and just once you're in the trade, there's so many ways to use Trade Manager where you can just set the Trade Manager up and just walk away. Come back a couple hours later and see if everything's okay. Unfortunately, when I put the trade on, I wasn't expecting to go to dinner so quickly. I got a phone call and away I went. So I wasn't expecting to be able to stick a runner on there or put a trailing stop on there or any of that stuff. So if I was at my computer, I would have definitely hit profit because this came down all the way down to like 177.40 before it actually turned around. Okay, these are today's charts. This is the pound dollar. Very crazy trading pair today. I showed the pound because I wanted to show you what an ugly chart looks like. So this comes up, it breaks up to the upside, comes back down. You can see where we get the alert. We should take this trade. We got the dot, we got the triangle, we got the hash mark, got the arrow. Everything's great to the downside. Even the momentum bar on the bottom is red. What's the problem? The filter line is green. Traders, this ended up pulling back and going sideways. This trade would have never worked out, and I'm so glad I didn't enter the trade because of that. All right, let's go over here to the New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, actually, I lost out on this trade. I should have entered this trade. This trade worked. This gave a great alert. I was in the live trading room, and you know, as a moderator, you miss trades, and that's okay. I love doing what I do. This trade ended up working out fine. That green candle, the next candle was red, and this could just continue to dump, and it was an awesome, awesome day. If you took the trade, here you can see where I tried to enter the trade, and what I did was I put a fib in here, and there is the 74.6 fib, and traders, like I told you, it ended up coming back down. That candle turned red, and this continued to the downside and ended up being a very nice trade and would have worked, but I didn't catch it, and the signal was late, and what I was thinking was this thing had moved a lot of pips already, so I didn't take that chance. So I took the fib off and just let it do its thing. It did come down some, and I would have made profit, but I just didn't like the feeling of the trade, and that's the point of the slide. That listen, if you don't have a good gut feeling on what's going on, you don't like what's going on, just don't take the trade. It's okay. And you can see where the two green candles are. You wouldn't have entered the trade there either, right? You got two green dots. That's against the rules, right? We're not going to take a trade on two green dots, right? That's telling us that this is going to eventually give us a up indication for an up trade, for an alert to go long. So with the pullback, that's fine, but it didn't work out, and that's the whole point. It worked out later on, almost an hour later. It worked out, and did come down back for some profit if you would have taken it. I didn't take it, and it just happens. But I just want to show you that chart. I just want to show you this pound yen chart, and the reason I want to show you this is a educational slide where, first of all, I want to show you what an ugly chart looks like. This is ugly. This is not. There's no trend here. This is just an ugly chart. However, the point was that I liked that it was bouncing off of a R1, that blue line's like resistance 1, and it was bouncing off of that. And I said if it would pass that high of all those green bars, I would take into that trade at 178.10. What do you think happened? Traders, I was in this for about a half hour. It never clicked and never gave me that 178.10 entry, and I closed out the pending order. There's sometimes, you know what, they talk about waiting for a pending order to take in. If it doesn't do it within a certain amount of time, traders, just get out of it. It's not going to work. It never did work, and the pound yen is sideways. It's a very ugly chart even now if you took a look at it. Traders, this is the last chart of the day. Absolutely, this is the euro dollar that absolutely worked out wonderful. Totally missed this trade. Gave you a second opportunity right here. We fibbed this. This was like the 74.6 fib right here. Absolutely worked out, and away you could have went. This was a great signal. This was double hash marks. This was the trade. Missed the trade. Why did I miss the trade? Because I'm a live moderator in a live trading room. But we did look at it, and we did see that this had come up, and I just chickened out, to be honest with you. I saw the two green dots, and I chickened out of the trade and did not take the trade. I should have taken the trade, by the way, traders. This was a mistake on my part. I should have taken the trade. That would have been 21 pips on that if I would have got out right at that last candle. It has continued to drop. And, you know, what can you say? It is what it is. But, yeah, we missed that one. And that was a nice trade. Everything lined up nice. Like I said, even gave you the second chance to get in, as the euro 99% of the time does. So I want to show you a chart that was good and positive, and that works. and that chart actually worked. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at Indicator Warehouse, thank you so much for joining me today. Traders, please take note of the URL on the bottom of the chart and go visit the website. You will be amazed at what you'll see about Indicator Warehouse, what they have to offer, the education, the free trading rooms, the products. It's just absolutely awesome. And I would love for you to come join me in my trading room, and you should already have that, or you can just rewatch the video to that slide and grab that and come and join us in the live trading room. Traders, traders, I guess that's it for me for today. From reigning Pattaya, Thailand, have a great day, and we'll get you tomorrow for another YouTube video. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.